The Ministry of Defence of the United Kingdom announced this week that hundreds of drones and scores of artillery guns will be given to Ukraine as part of a new package designed to push back Russian forces making advances in Ukraine's Donbas region. The British government announced plans to send 50,000 artillery shells and hundreds of additional anti-tank weapons to Ukraine in the coming weeks in a statement. According to Defence Secretary Ben Wallace, more than 20 M109 155mm self-propelled guns and 36 L119 105mm artillery guns will soon arrive from the UK, including counter-battery radar systems and over 50,000 rounds of ammunition for Ukraine's existing Soviet-era artillery will also be provided. The new equipment will bolster the armed forces of Ukraine's ability to defend itself against Russia's indiscriminate use of artillery, according to the statement. Following a series of strikes that killed dozens of civilians, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky accused the Russian military of carrying out a series of terrorist attacks in Ukraine. Wallace also reaffirmed Britain's long-term commitment to assisting Ukraine in defending its borders, stating that the scale and variety of equipment being sent to Ukraine demonstrate the British government's level of support. The scale and variety of equipment we are providing demonstrates our resolve, Wallace said. With our international partners, we will ensure that Ukraine has the tools it needs to defend itself against Putin's illegal invasion. The news follows the release of a major training operation for Ukrainian soldiers, which was revealed in June during a visit to Ukraine by outgoing British Prime Minister Boris Johnson. Approximately 10,000 Ukrainian soldiers arrived in the United Kingdom this month for training aimed at familiarizing troops with NATO standard equipment and weapons.
Good. Off it goes. Catching it.